So this here is the Fiskars X11 and it's great for chopping wood when you're out camping. So it comes with this great plastic cover that protects the blade and protects you from the blade. It snaps closed with this locking mechanism and it acts as a handle, which is a lot less of a threatening way to carry an axe, I'm sure you'll agree, than carrying it like this. So this just gives people peace of mind when you're around them. So you can remove that just like so. Here I have a semi-split piece of wood. And there you go. Nice clean cut, and that was very easy to do. Definitely make sure you practice first, because people have a tendency when they swing an axe down, they might swing it back towards them. So if you're in a low position like this, you can stay kneeling and just come down like that. Make sure you aim for the piece of wood here. So, as you can see, a really simple, reliable axe. It also has a flat back, so if you ever do get stuck in the wood, rather than trying to chop through it like that, actually what you do is you turn it upside down so the wood stuck on the axe is facing upwards, and you hit it down like that, and that will force the wood through the axe and chop it a lot easier. Let's get a bit more. Now, I'm not exaggerating when I say that this is very simple to do. Because of the shape, it's shaped so perfectly just to split wood. That's what this is really designed for. And I have to say, I'm not an accomplished woodsman by any chalk. This is relatively simple to do. You follow those safety steps and you'll be chopping wood too. There we go, I think we're ready for a fire.